Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix messenger not ringing when calling problem. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. For that, all you have to do is first of all go ahead, access the messenger app. First of all, go to App Store, go to search bar, search in messenger, and then see if your app needs an update or not. If it does, go ahead, tap on update and update your app. If it's not up to date, then that can cause the problem as well. Next thing, you're going to check your internet connection. If your internet connection is not good, especially while making a call, if you're on a data and data is not so good, network is not so good, simply switch to any other network and that should work it out. Next thing is you have to remember another person also needs to be in the call for the ringing to work. If that person is not online, that means it will not show a ringing. It will simply have a different ringing sound. You have to know that. If that doesn't work, all you have to do is simply go back to your messenger, log out and re-log in, or you can simply go ahead, long press on it and remove the app, or uninstall the app and reinstall it. That's what you can do as well. And that's it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.